What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about some crazy Shib news and pretty much my Shib prediction for the year and where I think it's gonna be headed. It's been a minute since I've done a video like this. I see a lot of people on YouTube doing kind of sort of videos like this, and I have a little bit of a different opinion than most of them. I'm probably a little bit more bullish, a little too bullish on this. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I think is gonna happen. So if you're new, love Shib, you love crypto, you love money, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video, most importantly, to spread the word. You guys don't understand, when you leave likes on the video, it helps out the algorithm and more Shib holders can see it, more Shib non-holders who are just trying to get into it can see it. Just helps out all around. So leave a like and follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a $2,000 Shib giveaway to one of you guys. It's literally free, dude. You follow the Instagram and you're in. I don't ask you to do anything else. So do that, and then check out my Discord down below. Basically, if you guys do not know which ones to invest in, which meme coins, which altcoins, which shit coins, whatever you want to call them, I do all the work for you. We've been finding coins that literally have gone more crazy than Shib has. Shib's more of a long-term play, you guys know, but like literally had coins to 300x in literally 24 hours. Massive plays are being called in the chat. So if you want to get in, it's cheap right now. I'm raising the price again next week. So join up, link in bio, and I'll see you guys on the site. So with Shiba Inu, it's a little bit different than any other coin. You know, I used to be really bullish on Hawk until they just really weren't doing anything, and now they're planning a huge rebrand. And I've always been bullish on Shiba. I think for the long term, this has the most potential out of any coin, any meme coin, to ever be something like a stable coin or whatever. A stable coin, pretty much, my opinion of a stable coin is just if it's listed on a huge exchange like Coinbase. Like, you don't really see meme coins or anything besides like Doge on something like Coinbase. And I think that when Shib does get listed on Coinbase, because it will happen, I've called it multiple times, Coinbase Pro is already listing it, and with Robinhood, just kind of like my last video I was talking about it, I think that we will actually catapult to 10 cents. Like, obviously we have to cross the first cent, and there's obviously like mental barriers on these coins or whatever, but I think long term 10 cents is very viable. I mean, this thing literally is beating Doge so far. Like, in terms of chart activity, you can check the charts, you can compare both. It actually has beat Doge. Doge is on a downtrend, whereas Shib's on an uptrend. And that's probably the most bullish stuff I've heard so far. Like, literally, dude, like, Shib is going to take over. And I genuinely believe this. Like, I am one of the biggest Shib supporters. I've posted this since day one on my channel. And I believe that we are literally going to see all-time highs again and again and again. And this dip 5 years from now will literally be looked like as a gold mine. Like, community's there, the utility's there, the dev team is there. Like, it's all just ready to pop. And that's why I think that 1 cent, 10 cents, $1, everything is possible for this coin, regardless of the market cap stuff. We're in crypto. Anything can happen. Literally, that's what most people don't understand. Like, literally anything can happen. I've seen coins I thought that would have never hit a goal, like, that I had planned in my mind, hit the goal. It's crazy. You never know what's going to happen. So that's why I like to always say it's always up in the air with this stuff. So very bullish still. We'll always be bullish. Got some crazy news dropping later in the week that nobody's reported on. Waiting for all this stuff to clear out. So if you're a Shib holder, make sure to like, subscribe, comment your favorite thing about the token, as well as follow my Instagram for that $2,000 Shib giveaway. And yeah, check out my Discord. Like I said, just it literally is for people that want to double their money and take crypto serious. That's pretty much it. If you want that and that sounds like something you're interested in, check it out. You will not regret it. You'll probably make your money back within the first 2 plays. I've been calling nothing but snipes. Like, literally, you have a team of snipers over there. So with all that said, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.